Hey, I'm Chini, and welcome to Chinisworld. Hey cutie, today I'm going to show you some easy DIYs an army will love. First, we're going to start with a scrunchie where you're going to draw the BTS logo and the army logo. The size of your logo depends on how big you want your scrunchie. In this case, I like mine big and puffy. Once the paint dries, you flip your fabric and you can either hand sew it like my mom's doing here, or you can just use the sewing machine. I did use acrylic paint, but I recommend you using fabric paint. As you can see in this clip, you can see all the little fragments that go off when you scrunch up the fabric. So now all you do is you weave in a elastic and double knot it, and then just sew the ends together. And there you have it, a cute army / BTS scrunchie. For this project, you're going to need a notebook, pictures of the boys, and any stickers or knickknacks that you don't mind using to decorate. Also, don't forget acrylic paint. So what I'm doing here is that I'm sketching out the rows, and if you don't know what rows I'm talking about, here's a reference. So I couldn't see where the pencil lines were, so what I did is I went over it with some Sharpie. And if you're worried that you might mess up, don't worry, you can just get nail polish remover and just erase the parts that you don't like. Just like I'm doing right here, I'm just erasing lines that I did not like. So what I'm doing here is that I'm going over the rows with acrylic paint. For the acrylic paint color, it's up to you what color you want to do. Here I just chose white. If you want to be a little extra, what you can do is just go over the lines with the wet paint and then just add glitter, just like I'm doing on the next clip. Then take a Q-tip and remove the excess from the little crevices. What I did off camera is that I went over the outside with white acrylic paint. So here I'm just attempting to spell out her in Korean, and it kind of doesn't look that great, but now I'm going to show you some simple dividers.
You got no jams.
So the first one is just a collage of the boys. So here is where the pictures you chose earlier come in. So just let your creative juices flow, and here's how mine came out. Now for the second one, we're going to draw the little heart. And then choose 2 of your favorite BT21 characters, and then we're going to make them look like they're pulling the string. In my case, I'm drawing Tata and Chimmy. This part's optional. I'm just going over the line with a black marker. Then you just paint your BT21 characters, and here I chose acrylic paint, but you can choose whatever you want. Here I'm just going over the line that I drew earlier with acrylic paint. And there you have it, your second design. So here's the third design. It's gonna be a snow globe, and what I'm doing is that I am drawing the little thing on the bottom. I don't know what that's called. Then what I did is I outlined it, and then I started putting the lyrics that I wanted. In this case, it was a Magic Shop lyric from Jimin. Then all I did is paint it and added glitter where I wanted and just wrote Magic Shop on the bottom. And there you have it, the third design, a little globe with lyrics. This part is just optional. All I did is I put a clear divider on top and just taped the edges, just like I'm doing here. And the cool part is that you can use this as a whiteboard. This was pretty easy. All you need is paint, a pot, and a plant. And now just choose your favorite BT21 character. Mine is Timmy. Now just sketch the character on your pot. I like to do a white coat first, but this is just optional. So you paint your BT21 and this is how mine came out. And that's all you have to do, and here's a cute little plant with a little BT21 character. So a while back I did this TikTok and I'm gonna show you how I made it. So grab your tape and tape it just like this. Then just reference university letters. And then just start sketching the member's name. When sketching, start from the middle, that way when you write the member's name, it's not like lopsided. If you're working on a dark surface, just like this t-shirt, I recommend you doing a white coat so the color that you choose is visible. Then choose a flat brush just like this one. Once the white is dry, now you can use your color of your choosing and just go over the middle. This will require a couple of coats until it's opaque for your liking. While that's drying, what I'm doing here is I'm drawing Jimmy because he was created by Jimin. So this depends on what member you choose. Again, if you're working on a dark surface, start with a white coat and then just draw the BT21 character. So here I'm just free writing university and I'm just starting from the middle to the back. So here I just put EST and the year Jimin was born. And now we're gonna do a cute little army bomb. You will need a clear ornament, toilet paper roll, fairy lights, glitter, and acrylic paint. You'll also need a glue gun. First, weave in the fairy lights through the toilet paper roll and then into the little Christmas ornament. Once you glue that, grab your poster and then roll it, and then measure out how big your battery pack is, and then just start marking the parts where you want it and how big you want the army bomb to be. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just marking up and then cutting it the size I want it to. And then once I got the size I wanted, I just glued it and put in the battery packs in. Because I didn't want to glue in the pack, I'm just stuffing it with some extra toilet paper roll stuff. So I just grabbed a little scrap piece from my scrunchies and I'm just doing the little wristlet. Here I'm just writing my bias's name. In this case it's Jimin. This is an extra step, but since I see a lot of people putting their bias's name with a sticker, I decided to just paint mine on. All I did off camera is that I added some glitter on the heart. Here I'm just drawing the Love Yourself logo. This DIY is customizable, so you can draw whatever you want. And boom, that's how you have a customizable army bomb. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.